remember, what I'm creating right now is a list. It's a data type. It's a container that just contains numbers. If I wanted to print this out, I could, let's say this. Okay, so we have a 4x in range. Let's say I wanted to print them in groups of 10, right? Okay, so this is getting a little bit trickier. We'll go to 500. And if I want to print them in groups of 10, okay, we're going to say this plus equals str x, and we'll separate them by spaces. So we're going to create this. Str temp needs to be defined ahead of time as an empty string. So I'm creating an empty string, and then each time it passes x, it's going to add x to that plus a space. And then if x modulus 10, there's that modulus again, is equal to 0, then str temp plus equals a new line. And then at the very end here, print str temp. Let's check this out. There it is. Just like that. Now, if I really wanted these to line up, right, how would I do that? Well, I can use my alignment here. To line them up. Okay. So now notice that on 0, because 0 modulus 10 comes out to 0, it'll just say 0 and start a new line. So if I wanted that to be really clean, I'd probably start it with 1. And I'd probably end it at 501 so that I could really make it perfect. But that works pretty well, right? So there's a little bit of trickiness. If you want to format that list, you can. But a lot of times you're just creating the range, you'll store it for later, you'll use it in another for loop or something like that. So there's a lot of things you can do. And look at this, contains nothing that we haven't already covered in class. It's just about using your creative thinking to put it together in a certain way to figure out how to solve the problem. And that's really the beauty of programming, I think.